बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब ठीक होंगे। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अगैन। आई एम back again with the most requested and demanded recipe, the bread pudding. Before starting the video, for those who have not subscribed, it would be nice to subscribe first. So let's learn how to make restaurant style bread pudding, which some people are fan of. So going towards the ingredients first, I'm taking one small bread. It's almost 16 slices of bread, 1.5 cup of sugar, 2 cups of milk, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and caramel sauce as required for the topping. I prepared the caramel sauce already and the recipe is uploaded on my channel. You can see there. So now coming towards the recipe, this is the Kenwood Food Factory, my kitchen partner. I'm using it for nine years. So I'm using this iron blade for making the breadcrumbs and mixing all the ingredients together. In the first half, I'm making crumbs of half of the bread on medium speed. So the bread is crushed normally. I'm not removing the bread corners because it's a total waste of the food. So I'm not removing the bread corners. After making the crumbs of half of the bread, take it out and put all the other half of the bread inside. अब यहाँ पे मैं सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऐड कर दूँगी, लाइक शुगर, बटर and vanilla essence and 3 eggs here also, and I'll mix them together on medium speed again. I'm not using too much butter here because in bread we already have butter, so that's the reconstruction of the bread in form of pudding, so that butter will also act as a softener here in the recipe. So after adding all the ingredients excluding milk, I'm going to mix it up together on medium speed. When you see that all the ingredients are mixed together and you can't see any slice of bread or piece of bread inside the jug, stop the mixer here. And now I'm adding milk in it. You can see the texture here, it's thick. So at this point I'm adding half of the milk and the remaining breadcrumbs here also, and the other half of the milk. I'm layering the ingredients up, so when we are mixing it, they are mixed together nicely. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to mix up all the ingredients in the food mixer. And the mixture, when you see that the mixture is smooth and everything is mixed together, तो हम यहाँ पे मिक्सर को बंद कर देंगे. Now the time to bake it. For baking, we are preheating the oven at 240 degrees. So आपका oven almost, आप अपनी recipe preparation से पहले oven को preheat कर लें. So the oven is heated nicely. Then take a casserole dish and put the baking sheet or the butter paper at the base and oil it, so the bread pudding is not sticky to our casserole dish. कैसरोल डिश को ऑयल लगाने के बाद हम इसमें अपना प्रिपेयर्ड बैटर डालेंगे. ब्रेड पुडिंग की बेकिंग थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा टाइम लेती है, लाइक फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल केक. नॉर्मल केक टेक्स 35 to 40 minutes फॉर बेकिंग, बट ब्रेड पुडिंग ऑलमोस्ट 1 hour ले लेती है बिकॉज इट्स द रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ब्रेड, सो इट टेक्स मोर टाइम एंड द मिक्सचर इज़ लिक्विड. दैट्स अनदर रीज़न कि हमारी ब्रेड पुडिंग की बेकिंग को थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है. After adding the material, our batter, our bread pudding batter, in the casserole dish. I'm going to put it in the oven and we'll see the final look after 1 hour. You can have the closer look of our batter before putting it inside the oven. So this is the final look after almost 50 minutes. It took 50 minutes today. So the next step, which is the most important step in my recipe, हमने इसको इस पे टॉपिंग करनी है the caramel sauce right taking it out from the oven. बिल्कुल गरम ब्रेड पुडिंग पे हम कैरमल सॉस की टॉपिंग करेंगे. इससे होगा क्या कि कैरमल सॉस सोक इन हो जाएगी हमारी ब्रेड पुडिंग के अंदर, एंड द टेस्ट ऑफ कैरमल इनसाइड द पुडिंग इज़ अमेजिंग व्हेन यू हीट इट अप अगेन एंड हैव अ स्लाइस आफ्टरवर्ड्स. बिल्कुल फ्रेश तो बहुत मज़े की लगती है, बट व्हेन यू हैव इट in the refrigerator and take it out and just give it 20 to 30 seconds in the oven, you will have a blast of sweetness in your mouth, and believe me, it will be sweet, as soft as it's fresh for almost 5 to 6 days in the refrigerator, and you can enjoy it. That's the most favorite recipe of my friends and my family. So I hope you will try it and enjoy it with your family, and I believe that आपकी फैमिली की भी फेवरेट डेज़र्ट बन जाएगा ये. इस तरह से आप पूरी लेयर कर देंगे कैरमल सॉस के साथ इसे. इट्स अप टू यू हाउ मच कैरमल यू वांट ऑन योर रेसिपी. मैं एक दफ़ा इसी तरह थिन लेयर अपनी ब्रेड पुडिंग पे लगा देती हूँ. वाइल सर्विंग आई ड्रिजल another batch of caramel sauce on the slice which I've warmed up, so that's give another blast of caramel to the person who is eating. So this is the final look of our ready bread pudding, and now I'm going to show you the slices with some drizzle of caramel sauce again. I hope you like the recipe. Please try it and share your reviews with me that you liked it, your family liked it, and do subscribe my channel.